right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. Look where we are. Get lowered. Sandstorm is getting dropped off. We're getting some awesome work done. I can't just tell you what it is just yet, but I want to show you what the bike looks like here before we leave it off. Well, let me give you a nice walk around here real quick. So that's what the bike looks like now. Let's see if you can guess what kind of work we're going to get done here at Get Lowered. Leave it down in the comments below, and you're going to want to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.